Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Pages and tapping the plus sign to create a new document. Choose a template or blank depending on your goal. Once done, make sure iCloud is enabled so Pages auto-saves and syncs across devices. This prevents lost work. You should also tap the document title to rename it. Clear naming helps you find versions later. Finally, familiarize yourself with the top toolbar. Format, Document, and Add buttons will be your primary controls as you build content. You now focus on composing and formatting. Tap any text box to edit and use the floating format menu to change font, size, spacing, and style. To enrich your page, tap Add to insert photos, shapes, charts, or tables. Drag and resize elements with 2 fingers for precise placement. For longer documents, create sections and headers so navigation and layout stay organized. If you need consistent looks, select text and tap styles to create or apply paragraph and character styles across the document. You finish by exporting and sharing. Tap Share to send a PDF, Word file, or a Pages copy and choose quality and layout options. If collaborating, create a share link or invite people to edit so changes merge live. Make sure editing permissions are set correctly. Once complete, double-check layout on different devices to catch flow issues. If something goes wrong, first check iCloud status, Wi-Fi connectivity, and file size. Restoring from a recent version often recovers work without extra steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.